All right. Then we're live. Let's get to it. Now, what was I doing? Metics, colors, player rooms, minigame. Let's see. Right, I need to make different types of cosmetics. It probably would be easier to just start this all again. Leave cost, that's fine. This probably go. All right, get rid of that, which means get rid of that. All this can stay. All right, right. These need to go as well. Don't need them anymore. Don't need that. All right. How many things are broken? A lot. Okay. Right. Cosmetic controller. And now I think I'm just going to get rid of that completely. At least for the time being. I'll just drag that onto my desktop or something. Cosmetic controller. Be gone. All right. Get rid of all this stuff. Comment this out. And that. Get rid of this. Bit too zoomed in. And get rid of this. Is it screenshot? Right. Yeah, just comment it all out. And be gone. Fuck me. Yeah. All needs reworking. Yeah. Alright, gone, gone. Gone, gone, gone. Ah, shit. Ah. Right. Saving the color. Ah. Add a script here for getting color key cosmetic. So cosmetic ID. No. What was the ID? ID was the name. Probably want the type plus color. Yeah, that'll do. Then we use that. Yeah, color key. I don't need that. All right. Shop color picker. Get rid of all this for now. But all of this needs reworking. So badly coded. All right. Get rid of that. Jesus Christ. I should probably just start this whole fucking thing again. Rebuild the cosmetic system from the ground up. All right, fucking everything's changing. All right. Back to basics. This needs to be abstract. There aren't just any plain old cosmetics. The we want. What did I write? Material cosmetic. Should change the material or something as a cosmetic. We're gonna need different types of cosmetic controllers, aren't we? This inherits from cosmetic. The special thing about these is that it needs material, so get a material property. So, and what? Make that bigger. Yeah, that's about the right size. Bit big for me, but I'll live. And the other type was what? Object cosmetic. These ones will be instantiated. Parent. What do they need? Renderers. Renderer array. Access to that. Like so. Okay. Good. Now, all the existing cosmetics are probably going to be completely fucked. So, I'll go for and take all that shit off. God damn it. 5 do this one by one. No, fuck me. Gonna take a goddamn age. like 100+ cosmetics. But I guess it's better to do it now than later. Wait, I don't even need to double click, do I? I do. God damn it. Leave hats till last because there's so many. Oh, there's a lot of fucking masks as well. Skins. Gone. Just remember which number I want. Was on. Hard enough. Alright. Get rid of these. Fucking refactoring for days. There's got to be a faster way to do this. Which I'm going to look up. There should be. Or at least a script or something I can make. Remove non-existent errored scripts. Uh, mass remove missing scripts. Huh. Find this. Huh. There seems to be a solution. Okay. Well, I can just yoink this. And helper script. Change a few things. Join it in the hierarchy. Wait. Oh, it is using selection. Cool. So now if I do mass. Damn it. Hmm. If I, uh, I have to manually tweak this a bit. Selected. Uh, uh, eh. Go to the if. Shit. Game mode as game object. Maybe that'll work. Probably not, but it's worth a try. Hmm. Take two. Oh, yeah, okay, that just doesn't work. Fuck it. Manually it is. God damn, this is going to be a pain. Alright. Well, do I just leave this for now? Do I manually remove every fucking script? Let's go to look how many there are. This is just a mask. There's like 90 hats. All of these I have to remove. Oh, can I be asked to do that now? No, that's not crucial. I can still test it with the other stuff. You know what? Fuck that. Not doing that. I'm just gonna continue. What was I doing? Material cosmetics done. Object cosmetics done. Right, player cosmetic. This only be. But then I need different variants of it. Or do I? If it's an object, you instantiate. If it's a material, you change the renderer. All right. Yeah, I don't think this can work. Swap these over. Yep. Layer controls. Hide it when it's either my player or it's not. All right. So on properties changed. If it's this player, and you get the cosmetic. And if that cosmetic, it was current. All right. Already instantiated. That's only if it's okay. Right. Okay. So if the player has a string or their cosmetic, uh, hmm. Right. We need one. Oh, this is tough. So say it's a hat. You get the cosmetics ID, which is a number. So try and find a cosmetic first. Cosmetic.find found .toString. So then this would be its own method. Private void destroy existing cosmetic. This should just reset. Makes it look a bit nicer. Then we create a new one. No, but we don't want to create a new one. Unless it's the correct type. If cos is cosmetic object, object cosmetic, then we do it. If it's cos is material cosmetic, right. We're getting somewhere. Then need to go through each renderer. In the renderers, colors. I'm just going to rename this renderers. Renderer material becomes the cosmetic cosmetic as material. Cosmetic dot material. Okay, sorted. So it's an object cosmetic. It's instantiated. If it's a material, it changes all the renderers for that material. Good. Now, we also need to check if there's a color associated, because you can change the color of cosmetics. Any cosmetic, really. Material or object. So, I'm just going to do these all new methods. Create cosmetic. Oh no, apply cosmetic. Like so. We need the string ID, which in this case is going to be the found cosmetic found.toString. Yeah, ID. Wait, shit. Oz. Right. So it applies it. Private void apply color string ID. So then do the same thing. We find the cosmetic, but then we want, what do we want? We want to check if it has a color assigned already. No, we don't want to use the default color. That's only for the shop. So cause is not equal to null. Wait. No, we don't want that. This is what we want. We want a new thing. Network properties. That's what we want. Get color cosmetic dot color key. Yep. We're getting there. Of found. Wait. Oh, I don't even. I have the cosmetic already. It's not a string. I thought this was a string. I forgot I changed this. I can just completely get rid of that. Cosmetic. There. And this should only apply a color if it has key of this player out color. All right. Need a new get color method. Ring property. Shit. Right. I need to give this a bit of a rework. Properties to add cosmetic.color key of the property. Oh my god, there's so much stuff I have to add. Cosmetics. Returns. There we go. Okay. Back to network properties. All right, that's working. And then add nothing. Initialize it. Let's add a notepad just for Santa. Winky face. Alright, so that does that. That's the color key to that. Property to that. And if we get it, output the color. That's correct. Oh, I can't even name that. If it gets the color thing, then apply color. 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 But if it doesn't find it, then apply color found dot default color. Okay, so don't need that anymore. Render dot material dot color equal to color. That should work. All right. Ah, but what if it's right? There is not always the case for this. If current not equal to null, that's not always the case either. Oh, I know. That's fine. That goes like that. If current is that current dot set color. Current is object cosmetic. Current as object cosmetic. We need a method here for setting the color. Or actually, no, we've got the renderers to ourselves. Current cosmetic for each renderer cosmetic renderers renderer dot color equals color. Cool. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. What's erroring? Alright, I didn't finish this, did I? This string. Simple as color here, color string, pass it, true or false, correct. Good. All right. Now, yeah, there's going to be some missing. Let's delete all those. Player cosmetic. So for now, we'll just try skins and back. Skin as a material. Alright. Back has to be applied to the middle spine. Spine 2. Whereas skin targets this. Doesn't have a parent. Set that to that. Alright. Dunzo. Then I need to edit some of these. All of these actually. What's a back? So it's an object cosmetic. Nice. All of type back. Not free. Assign their renderers. They can all change color. Here we are. Why is it so fast? When it comes to change the color, don't change any of the arrows, just change the quiver. Wait, did I not? What's going on here? Oh, now it shows. Quiver goes into renderers. Quiver. The testing made that red. And field thing. Off. Not even sure what changing the colors on these things will look like, but for now it'll do. Sword. Sword. Oh, fucking swords. Sword. Sword. And sword. Alright. They all have right. They all have icons. Lock that one. Lock that. We don't know that. Cosmetic previews back. So this one was none. This one was the quiver. Field. They all sort of line up from here. Scarf. And the swords. Boom. Unlock. Alright. Let's see how back items work. This probably ain't going to work. What do you mean, no? Did I not connect to the right? Huh. What is going on here? I restart the room. New code. There you go. That worked. Alright, we're in. Now, what do we look like? Nothing. Okay. Think that's fine. No back items. Oh, right. See. Shop's completely fucked, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, God. Alright. But all of this needs a rework. To be fair, I can simplify a bit. Uh, so go any the no prefab button prefabs. Right, just looking for cosmetics, but it doesn't find the children. That's old code. Cosmetic roller dot lookup. There you go. Key value pair of, what was it, int cosmetic. Cosmetic dot value. Cosmetic dot value. Is that going to work? I hope so. Nope. All right. I bet this is empty. Place your bets. All right. 3. Oh, it's not. It does have 9, which is the amount of backs, right? Yeah. It doesn't instantiate them. Metic. This should be back, right? Ah. What in the shit is going on? Play name is an 18. Oh god, everything's breaking. I don't know why. Hmm. Fine. Unless it is instantiating, and I just. No, it's not. So it must be failing at this stage. Value type. Gets this, which is this, which is back. Debug it then. Metic. Metic.value.type. Alright. These are definitely back, aren't they? Why 18? Turning an integer. What the shit? Why is this an integer? This should not be an integer. What the fuck? Why 18? Makes no sense. There isn't even an 18 on here. Oh, God. I mean, the first bit's right.
Best followers, primes and viewers on Maestrom.
Right. Yep. Ah, but that's not going to work. These don't have. Try some debugging here. That plus. Dot value dot type. Because this will come back as. Maybe it's because I haven't set number values to them. Breaking out. I think this might be the problem. Enums are always a bit weird. Still fucked. Still thinks this is 18. Why is this being set to an integer? Where is this being set? Here. Bug.log error. Because what does this throw up? Why is this being okay? So, oh wait a sec. Probably should have checked this at the start. Yeah, that'll do it. Oh, fuck me. I'm such an idiot. Alright, these just need to all be reset because they've all been thrown out of whack. and mask. Skin's already done. Face and outfit. Get rid of all debug text. And this should work. Hmm. Come on, come on. There we go. All right. We got shit. Good, good. So, still working. What do I look like? Still nothing. I equip. Oh, it worked. It equipped it. And it set it to the default color of red. I equip the shield. It equips the shield with the default color of white. Nice. These tabs. All right. Good, I'm stirring shit again. Let me put him in his place. There you go. Sorted. Get your ass back to work, Gulen. All right. So shield working. Good. This worked. Good. 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 Now, when you do that, you're gonna want to save it. So, as equip. It should do it already. Save cosmetic. I just got to check the keys. Was back. So back should be saved to the correct ID 1001. That looks right. Yeah. The back's correct, and then back color is set to white. Why is that set to white? Oh, it's being set to the preview color, and in the preview, which is this, set to white, even though you can't see it, set to white, which is not what we want. So, how do I fix this? Fix this. Well, first I got to get to show. That's getting the right, and then the preview's all completely screwed. Yeah, I had to comment out everything. All right, so we got to work on the preview now. How's this gonna work? I'll create a new class for it, right? Or do I use a player cosmetic script? I just use, or I can literally just copy paste this because it's not going to be exactly the same. This will only we'll do it on properties change, which we don't want. We want this to be a more local solution. Then just create new classes is the easy way, even though a lot of it's going to be repeated code. The shop cosmetic. That should do it. Paste it in. Now we do not need a phone view. What we need is a parent and renderer still, and you don't even need the layers because it's always going to be the hidden layer. So we don't want it on properties change. We want it public void. What do we want? Hmm. That cosmetic probably. Cosmetic being passed in. Get rid of the awaken on destroy. Not reacting to an event anymore. Update layer. That layer to source.hidden. Always going to be hidden. Wait, is this even called anywhere? Not even. Probably do that. After you apply. Do that. I should probably do that for the play cosmetic as well. I should update the layer, which is good. Now, you set the cosmetic. All right. If network properties dot get cosmetic of my player, so we get if we are wearing a cosmetic in shit, these are the same name. New cosmetic. Make this found. So we check. So this is called when a cosmetic is selected in the shop. Is that the only time? Yeah. Then if we have a cosmetic equipped, this type, then we want to show that. So for the existing, apply the new one. And color-wise, color. So if we need to check if color exists. Oh, that's also something else we need to do. If what? Right. If the new cosmetic dot ID. ID is string or an int? Maybe type. No. ID is equal to the one that we're wearing. Right. New cosmetic is the same as the one we're wearing. Then we set it to whatever color we have saved. Otherwise, we set it to the default color. That should work. And network. And just copy this on network.local player. Apply the color. I mean, to be fair, this is literally the same code. Guys, bang. Now from the shop, when we select, do I? Oh no, it's here. Here. Ah, right. We also need to handle if it's null. If destroy, always destroy. If static is not equal to null, right? Then want to update the preview. No. Want to. What do we want to do? Not update. Let's preview set. Oh, right. It's not called the same thing. Oh, I shouldn't even be doing this here. Be doing this in the preview. Rotate. Yeah. Private shop. Cosmetics. And when you set. For each shop. Just see how this works. This might not work. Cosmetics. Cosmetic dot set. Cosmetic dot current. Right. Yeah, that works. Alright, it's not changing. Oh, God damn it. I didn't set it. Yeah. What do these need to go? And yeah, for now, shop, cosmetic. In and back. Back. Armature, face, spine. That goes there. In, drag. No, wait. In, drag into there. Just set the transform to whatever. How are you going to work? Oh, wait. No, I still. Yeah. In on validate. On validate. Cosmetics. Getting all of these shop cosmetics. Children. All right. Good. Now we run. That, a little bit of this. Connecting. All right, we're in. So. But the line needs some work. Wait, I didn't. Did it? Drop cosmetics is there. But it no changes. Why no changes? What am I missing? What's going wrong? So shop when you select a new one. It was update preview. That's a cosmetic. Is this isn't right? Changed. In and back. Alright. Debug time. New cosmetic. Plus if we even have the property. The network. Fucking classical music, dude. Beautiful. Makes you feel so sophisticated when you work. I'm fancy. All right. What are you saying? Saying that. False and true. Okay, so that does work. One comes back true. So it should apply the cosmetic. Probably said which one was true. This is, well, it's got to be the back, right? I think it makes sense. Also, cosmetic dot type the cosmetic. Good measure. That does get here by the cosmetic. Instantiate it. Unless it's not. Is it? I should probably sort of add an else here. Unknown cosmetic type. These are all object cosmetics, right? So unless they are being instantiated, I just can't see it. Oh, it might be the layer. I think I might. Yeah, it is there. It's there. Quiver's there, but it just can't be seen because it's not being set to the right layer. God damn it. All right. When you instantiate current dot update layer. Huh? Oh no, you don't. Wait, is it down here? Oh yeah, here. Update layer. Wait, no, but this is always called at the end of every. Unless what's going on here? It updates the layer, sets the layer to hidden. When this but it doesn't change the game object. It changes the renderers. Build. Wait, no, but that's still fine. Unless hidden isn't what layer it's looking at. Is hidden layer 11. This is not good code. I should not be doing this. Runtime. I just add renderers. Private game object. Oh, no. Layer. Layers. For each game object. Layer in layers. Oh shit. Cur dot layer equals layer. And now I've got to set it for all of these. This is going to take a lot of off stream going for each one of these cosmetics, but it'll be worth it in the end. This one doesn't need anything. 5 of these need to go into the layers. 1002 layer, 1003 into layer, 4 into the layer, 6, 7, 8. All right. So now it should change all these layers. This one doesn't really matter, I don't think. Also have a warning. If layers.length is equal to 0, debug.log error. Name has no layers. And reference this. Wunderbar. Oh, what a tune this is. Why is classical music so good? All right. Why you know what now? Why? You still no work. What layer is this? That's not right. Layer 3, unless hidden set to the wrong layer. God damn it. Of course it is. Yeah, 11. Wait. Oh, I need to change this for everything, don't I? I've got to still use my old project. And 8. And 8. I play 7 and 8. 6 and 7. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Let's save. Now this should work. Come on. Don't let me down. Go, 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 go. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Previews up and running. Now, next step is color. Color wasn't going red. I assume that's because color already exists. Color is set to default. Test this out. What's this song called? And G in E. In D major. Okay. This isn't red. Not good. Set to default. Lies. Huh. Oh, it's not found its setting to what already exists. That should fix it. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Bing, bada boom. Let's save. There you go. Okay, okay. Red. Oh, ho, 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 yes. It's red, baby. That is what I like to see. Okay, that's the next step done. I changed some other ones. This all can be green. Bum bum. Nice. Very nice. So that's working. Click on a thing. It changes. We're going to need to revisit this later. But for now, this will do. So now when we press edit, should be able to change the colors. Doesn't work at the moment, but it will. Oh, it will. So when we do that, we'll, what do we call? Oh, here. One. Drop preview. Where is it called? Let's see. Check the UI here. Under preview, edit color. Shop. Yeah, it is under shop. Go color changer. How did I miss that? Oh, god damn it. Yeah. So, show the color changer. What color do we set it to? You just set it to what it already is. Huh. That's the case. Then we don't actually need. Color changer. Where's the script for that? Put that there. So original color is equal to preview to get color. No, we don't want that. This shouldn't even be a thing. So original color equals color dot white. Otherwise, no, wait. If shop dot current cosmetic is not equal to null, we set it to default value. Right. So should I make it that you can only change the color if you've equipped it? I should probably do that. Nah, but what if you want to preview it? Another color. Alright, never mind. Else bug.log error. No current shop. So that is equal to shop current cosmetic dot default color. Right, so that's the original color. Then preview dot set color. Wait, unless if network properties get color of cosmetic dot color key of shop current cosmetic of my local player, then original color was color. We set it to the original color, so that should work. On site change, set color to get color. All right, and we also need to do this for each shop cosmetic, cosmetics, cosmetic dot set cosmetic. No, we want color though. No, oh, apply color. That's better. Preview. Apply color. Don't want to set the cosmetic because that'll just screw everything. I'll leave it as is. Right here. So then when we equip cosmetic, preview. It's a public static color. Get private Cool, and then we can use that. I know it's not the nicest way of doing it, but it'll work for now. Some of these until we get it up and running. I can always revisit it later. But nothing wrong with statics. All right, let's see how this works. Okay. So, still turning red. Good. We edit, and it should be red. Good. We change this. Very nice. Works very nicely. Need to make these sliders change though upon setting the color. Yeah. First need private full editing, just so the sliders don't trigger the on slider changed event if editing is so while we're doing this, editing is true and editing false. Red dot value R times 206. And dot value blue value RGB. Then we update the text. Cool. Like that. Also, I just realized I should probably get rid of my chair. Ain't nobody want to see that. There it goes. All right. Bop, 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 bop. So change that. Color. There you go. 256. Very nice. Bash, bash. Change the color now. The real. I need buttons now. Time for some UI work. Color change. That. So bottom left by button. How am I going to make this look pretty? I don't know. I can. Look pretty clapped. Fuck. It was Harry Potter for a sec. Red. Bang, bang, bang. And just a cancel with the font of that. Minus the terrible whiteness. Yeah, good enough. Let me do that. Same thing. Right in the middle. Green. Fly. So when you do that, now what do we do? Got me. Change. Alright. So I want to go back to the shop. Hide. So browse is what we want. The reference to shop anywhere. Private shop. Shop. So public void apply. Shop dot browser. Shop dot show browser. Both of those show the browser. But if you apply, and both do the same thing. But this one should revert the color back to what the original one was. Yes. Dot color. Private color. Original color. And that's what I need. Original color is set to color. This original color. Right? Work. I've got no. Hmm. Okay. Turns red. So if I change, oh, I forgot to sign the buttons. Button. Target shop. No, wait. Button target color changer. Color changer dot cancel dot apply. Okay, now this will work. Why not? Tell. I should really change the spawn point when I'm testing. Change it to black and I click cancel. Ah, fuck. I don't remember. Spawn point. Where is the spawn point? There. I'm over yonder. Yeah, that's a bit too far yonder. What? This way and down. That'll do. Saves time in the long run. How fucking times I have to test this and run over. Okay. We just test it with a shield. Hit red. Cancel. Back to that. So now set it to red. Fly. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yes. Yes. Ah, but that doesn't do it. Right. It's saying it to the default color, isn't it? Because we don't have it. Hmm. How do I need an if statement for this? I think we'll fix it. How do I know when? Tricky. I don't want it to be the default color. Changed it. Even if you're not wearing it, you want to maintain that color until you change the cosmetic you're looking at. So you shouldn't actually change it from here. Public static void change color. This should come from the shop whenever we select thing. Dot color dot change color. Dot color. How's that gonna work? Hopefully right. Oh, but unless we do want to. Oh, but I can change this. Fine. For now, it was. Or should work. So we are wearing that. We're not wearing this. So we come in. We're like, oh, I want to change up the color a bit. Apply. It's now black. Fill. Change back, and then it goes back to the default color. That's what we want. But then if we change it to black, apply, and then go back in to change it again, it says it back to the default color. Why does it do that? Why is this being called? Check for when that's being called and stop it. So we didn't select anything new. Come in. Change. Apply. We did that. Checking. Hallelujah. Right. Yeah, why does that get set back? Shouldn't. Unless it's getting. Color property lists. The only thing I can think of. No, but this can change that. Change color. Probably also put what color that is. Oh god. Firing work. Bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum. Da, 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 da. That changed it to red. Ah, I see. Press apply. Color should be equal to get color. Right, there you go. I think that's going to solve it. That's pretty fucking straightforward. Don't know how I missed that. Da, 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 da. Change color to black. Apply. Change it again. Still black. Good. Apply. But as soon as we change off it, back to red. Apply. This. Hit it. Oh, it's all working. Oh, I love it when it works. That's pretty cool. Green shield. Yellow shield. Purple. Changing that, it's not happy. It's that layer. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Red shield. Whip. I doubt this works in the game. I don't think I've set anything up for it. Although, okay, wait, that equips, right. That equips. But then fly. Still works. Hey, why didn't the shield show then? That was weird. Should I leave that? Okay, so now all we want to do is when you apply, you're wearing the item, then you want to change the network property. If network.get property get config or whatever this one is, photon network.player shop out cosmetic true and cosmetic.id.equals shop.current id shop.current null. Then work property set of shop. Oh no, wait. Cosmetic d of shop.cosmetic to color utility. That switch. Up. I added this. Oh, I did it for getting, but not setting. Ring. Property. Value. Set property. Property. String. Value. Get color. Property. String. Layer. Out. Color. Set it. Fine. Fine. Get property. Property dot toString. Layer. Out. Value. Wait. Duplicate this. Then I do. I know. Property. Might add one more method. Yeah. This one. There we go. Right. Cool. Property is good. .log. Metic is being born, so set network color. Cool. Right. So I'm wearing the shield. Change the color. Hit cancel. They don't like it. It goes back. Don't change the color. All right. Oh, the old one. I could probably get rid of. Change color to red. Do like it, so I apply it. So it's set color and it's changed to red. Oh, beautiful. Now, what if I... Oh, that still stays as red. That's actually really cool. I don't even know why that's working, but good shit. All right. Edit it. Yellow. There's yellow. That's really cool. Now this. Now if I want to change this, sets it to yellow. Don't want that. So edit the color, it gets set to yellow. because it's this network property. So okay, it reads the back, but then it's edit color property. Here it does exist, but it also needs to be. Yeah. Okay. Also needs top. Uh, network property get cosmetic of current cosmetic photon network local player cosmetic cos wait just cosmetic. That's equal to true. And top.current cosmetic like null and top.current cosmetic dot id dot equals cosmetic dot id equals to true. Then color property exists. Cool. Right. Getting somewhere, I think. Still got to set the default cosmetics and such, but that shouldn't be too hard. So just to double check, I'm wearing the shield, I change it to another color, it changes and field update. Nice. I change to something else that I want to I want to edit. I edit the color. It's red. I make it yellow. That's cool. But if I change off and come back, it goes back. All right, good. I can peruse other clothing things, my liking, see what they look like. Now I need it so when I equip it, it sets the color. This is still, not saved. Like a purple. And if I equip, yeah, but the color's not changed. So now I need to make it so that equip a thing, it changes the color as well. Equip. Here. That. Saves the color. Network property dot set property of cosmetic dot key global dot key of current cosmetic to dot color picker dot color utility dot to an RGB string. Right. I set color. No. That probably should be a thing though, right? No, fuck it, CBA. Oh shit. So when you do that, changes that. Oh, Gucci. Test run time. Up. Am I wearing anything at the start? No. Another thing to the list. coming here. This is what it thinks we're wearing. Hasn't actually set. Alright, so that goes like that. Make it black shield. Apply. Nice. But what if I want to change to a purple background and I equip that? Oh, yes. Okay, fuck. Everything's working. This is uncommon in computer science. It's just working. I think next thing's next. Get some any buttons for rotating, toggling. You know what? I'm just going to add this to a to-do list because I'm just not going to remember. To-do list. 1. Rotate character. 2. Add color button. 3. Toggleable 4. Load default 5. Save and load equipped. I just equipped. Alright, that's the to-do list. So, first things first, rotate the character. Easy. UI. You already have it from the browser. Duplicate those over to preview. What was the offset by 15? I'll also get rid of this horrendous white. Blinding white. This one goes to the left. 15. But that's not set to the right. Yeah. That's decent. Then, oh, that's already that done. Wait. One. Four. Carrot. Oops. Right through that. Dude, that's something I should add. Feedback. Add to do list website. Nice. What? Rated to plastic. What are you doing, Unity? Hope this doesn't destroy everything. Oh, God. So rotate's done. Color buttons. All right. How do I do this? Top color button. This can just be as simple as setting the image, using that as reference for the color picker. Image, color. Then click, reference, private, top, color picker, color picker, select. Color picker. Oh, need a set color command. Public void set color. True. False. Update text. All the necessary stuff. Nice. And all it from here to color.color. I think it's as simple as that. Now I just need to mate the buttons. And we should be Gucci. Left colors. This. Grid layout group. Oh. Changes the size. Do this instead. Grid layout. Create a UI button. Don't need the text. Refresh it. It's pretty big for a color. Red or something. It doesn't look very nice. Let's make that black, and this can be the color with a little border. Nice, nice. 50 by 50. Too small. 5 by 75. Just right. Color button. Save that as a prefab. Apply this. Also set this as the target. This can select itself. Color goes there. Color changer goes there. Prefab UI. Color button go. Color button. Now we can just duplicate. But it just goes forever. I put this in a scroll view. People with different resolutions might have different. Yeah, scroll view. Scroll view. But we're not going to have any of those. The grid layout group. 75 by 75. Content size fitter. Preferred size. We need to remove this terrible background. Replace the mask with a rect mask. And whack that inside. Oh, and remove or make it invisible. And delete that. Cool. Then we also want to set this to 1 top left. But That should be good. 5 by 5. Now I just need to change all the colors. Where do I get good colors from? Good colors, good. Giant color palettes. Lots of colors. Giant color picker. Color picker colors. Ah, nice. That should do. Question is, how do I go about getting it the nicest way possible, really? Could use code. Make one. Just how do I go about this? Snip it. Rip, bang. Don't want to hold. Right. Are there? Fucking a lot. Hmm. Well, they are going to be spread over 2 pages. Cool. Got on horizontal clamp, no inertia, roll speed of 50, good amount. And let's just go through load. Say I got to split this in 2. Maybe cool. Could work. Perhaps. Go down the middle, do. Yeah, this shape is just not doing it for me. Easier. Like this. The grid. Just join these. That wouldn't be too hard. Oh, that's nice. What's this? Oh, these ones here. Like bright colors. That'll do. I just need something. Doesn't really matter too much. Yoink you. Black soul. Oh, nice. That now. I just got to develop it. I can actually work out 1, 2. 15. 14 by 16. CBA to work out. 4 plus 10 by 3 plus 30. 254 means 127 per side. That's a lot. But I will do it. I'm not going to do it all now off stream. But I'll get a few colors just for testing. And duplicate this. Other side. They're uneven. Oh wait, no, it's bang bang. Right. And then we get rid of that. That. Not sure why this one's still here. That's good. Ish. A lot of buttons though. But I guess that's good. Wait, how many is in a row? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. I want this to be 10. Green, fixed column count, 10. How small do I have to make it? 55 by 55, it would appear. Yeah, I'll do. Um, God, going straight line to save my life. We're doing on the other side. Nice. Symmetry. Yeah. As you can tell, this is going to take an age. Good thing all I have is time. Do the first row of each. Already losing track of which one I'm on. One number 6. Probably mark them afterwards. 7. Right, color. White. Last 3, right? Uno. Dos. Nice. Oh, that is beautiful. God damn. Free aspect work there. Oh, nice. It doesn't go away. Get smaller. What we want. So fuck those a lot. And side. But I should probably do it in reverse. Fine. Down. Probably an easy way to do this, but could generate all these. But I like the look of this palette. I want to stick to that. Very therapeutic. This. I love computer science. Just switch your brain off. Listen to some nice classical music. Forget about all the worries in the world. Man, picking colours. Colours. What more could you ask for? Oh, shit. God damn it. I tried to do it reverse. It didn't work. Ah, fuck me. Like, I forgot that I changed the orientation so it doesn't matter. I don't have to do it in reverse. God damn, stupid. 3, 4, 5. Could end up duplicating colours. 6, 7, 8, 10. Wait, me. What am I trying to do? No, wait. That is right. Dark on the inside. Yeah. Okay, good, 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 good. I thought I messed up again. Oh dear. What am I like? Hmm. 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 Ah. Just check something. Hmm. Yeah, it's fine. And now I guess we test that it works. I'll get rid of that yet. We don't need any more. Get for later. Play. Oh, not a fan of these buttons. I think I know what I'm going to do with them. Move them into the middle. Right. First of all, rotation buttons. Still working. Good. Now, click. And nothing happens. Why no happen? What's wrong? Why no work? Color change it. Select. Ah. Wait. No, that's right. Color. Set color. Value should change. Oh, you bastard. And updates, and then... Oh, but it also needs to set the color of the preview. Can't forget that. Right. So is that what this does? Inside change, sets the color, updates the text. That's it, editing. Yes. Lovely. Hmm. What is saying? Cosmetics controller. Didn't know like you something. Load save. Oh, save cosmetics. Why like save cosmetics? What's wrong? Alright. There. Change. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. Imagine every colour in the rainbow here. That's what this will be. It all looks sick though once all the colours are done. And I'm thinking, move these into the middle down here at the bottom because it just by themselves is kind of shit. So to do that, I rename these left and right. And in save that. We need thing. With buttons. And I'm gonna set it to the bottom a bit higher. $270. Will do. And then buttons is horizontal component. Stretches the shit out of the buttons. Set. Oh, apply. Cancel. Drag both of these into buttons. Oh, yes. Very nice. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Maybe not from the top. Actually, yes, definitely from the top. Good. 15. Don't like how much. Oh, I do not like that. What the fuck? Create an empty parent. Cool. And both of these can just be button. This can be apply. And this can. Now, if I change it, it still does it. Problems with these. It shouldn't. Change. Actually, you know what? I need to do that. Just set both of these to just be middle and reduce the width. They have a fixed width. And no matter what it changes to, they stay pretty chill. I don't like this. Why is this stretching? Adding an image. Yeah, that's stretching more than it should. But they should all be the same. I think it's because of this. Vertical. Vertical. I paste that and remove that. And drag everything into vertical and make the vertical max. There you go. Now it follows the same rules. Not a fan of that there. But actually, to be fair, RGB sliders don't need to be capped anymore. Because there's no buttons to the left or right. This can just stretch all the way. Maybe not too far. 18 from the right. Yeah. And 18 from the left. But now top and not just be. I should probably split this up different. Try this. Left, right, middle, vertical. We don't want vertical, we want horizontal. And while we do this, the left and right, left can go left, right can go right, preview, middle. RGB sliders also goes middle. Bottom and top can back right off. Vertical be gone, horizontal welcome. We want full height and that kind of width. Left and right are not flexible widths. Width of 100. We also probably max these out. They're containers. Deal. 100 might be a bit small. And this layout can be flexible width. Takes out the rest. Now left colors, right colors, or left and right. Min width needs to be big enough for all the colors of the rainbow. 600 seems to be the sweet spot. Maybe a bit of 15 from the left, top, bottom. And a bit more. Like so. Vertical. Okay. Vertical will force the width but not the height. Go in, preview, layout of flexible height. Whereas this has a layout of a fixed height. Height is 100. No, 300. I don't know. Whatever. So this look. Alright. Vertical needs to fill that out. There you go. Now, RGB sliders, maybe not 300. Turn it down. 235. That's good. Yeah, I think that looks good. Correct. Left and right could probably do with a trim off some of the fat. Like so. But then again, a little bit in, not overlapping. And I think that's good. A little bit of room for the chat message. Font's still fine. All right. Try that out. Design wise, I think that's a lot better. All right. Probably. Oh, that's another thing I need to do. That to the to-do list. To be fair, I can get rid of the old stuff. Uh, 1, 2. Add default rotation. That way we can always look at the back first and we don't have to rotate it. Bit annoying. I don't like how those buttons linger. I should go white. Or should I? I don't know. Wearing. Yeah, that's still not syncing. First time. Ooh. Oh, I think I know why. Player cosmetic. It only does it when the properties change. Phone views. Or is it? I think it probably is. TV.phone. But deal with that later. And now red shield. Green shield. Fly. Ooh. It. Green. Fly. Red. Light. Light red. Fly. If that doesn't change. Whip. Does. Or green. Fly. Wait, let's just try equipping that. Change this to green. Fly. Build the shield. Whip. And it's good. Holy shit. I did it. Wow. That's pretty red, but cancel. Back to green. Red. Cancel. Whip. Green. Cancel. Whip. Still red. Good. Testing done. This now. Right, so next on the list. Toggleable cosmetic. Right. So how am I doing this? Top preview. So toggle this. Update preview. Set it all to the cosmetic. Setting the skin. Okay, so if show equipped equal to true, false, then do this. So if cosmetic dot type, wait, access that cosmetics type and cosmetic. So if cosmetic dot type equal to dot current dot then cosmetic dot set cosmetic dot current cosmetic. If shop dot current cosmetic not each null, just in case. It shouldn't ever be null, but case it is. Otherwise, if it's not the correct type, then tick.clear. No, okay, can't access that. No, it's not even clear, is it? Roy. This also needs to set the material. Renderer. So if it's that public void and for that color default color Roy and set apply color default color. Yeah, that works. Shop cosmetic. Private color color default material. Do a new section for this. Defaults. We actually don't need. Set default. Right. Don't even. What we do need to destroy. We don't need to apply color. That material. Yeah, we don't even need default color. Not material. Ooh. Oh, I need to sneeze. Not gonna. Primary. Set default. Cool. So that's set back to default. So that's if it's not showing equipped. If it is showing already equipped, then set this won't work. Public void. Load a thing. If network property get cosmetic of this type from my local player out cosmetic found apply cosmetic found. Oh, I should probably just copy all of this actually. And we should destroy. Even need that color, otherwise found color. Good. Good. Here. Load. Up, 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 up. Now we need to get some more things. Material cosmetic. Bolt skin. These are all skins. 3. Don't have layers, but they do have materials. Art, don't want that. This normal. There. Change your names first. I can't remember. Okay, now I just got to go through one by one then, actually. Next one could be water. Water. And next one, hologram. Gram. Next one, glowing. And ghost. And rainbow. And then, last but not least, galaxy. These all have preview sprites attached to them. Probably open the project tab, pin it to this, pin to that. Oh, no, materials. Here. So none, that one. Water, 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 hologram. That one, I believe. Glowing. That one. Ghost. Oh, what's what? I think that's ghost. Rainbow. Can't miss it. And galaxy. All right. Very nice. Tab. So now need one for the player. Player cosmetic of type skin, which targets skin, right? Targets this photon view and transform. Double check. It's some material. Ah. Yeah, so that's fine. Render a dump material is that. Cool. That's working, and then we need the shop. Shop cosmetic. Type skin. Wait, you already have skin here. Wait. Oh, wait, do I already? God damn, I already have it done. I'm stupid. Alright, let's go try out some skins. Uh-oh. Layers not being updated. But, good news. It's been applied. Skins also changed. Wait, so something is working there. Try Rainbow Man. Oh, my back. Oh, God. Damn. Alright, I am Rainbow Man. So, what happens if I then go back over to back items? Ah, right. There's no default material. See. Skins. Material. Normal. Goes I should also make it so if default material is not equal to null, else if renderer's length 0. Wait, if it's not equal to 0. No default material for cosmetic. That should work. Also, I need to figure out why it's not player cosmetic. This works now, doing this, but it doesn't update the layer, which I didn't pull because I'm stupid. Bing, bada boom. Stack Overflow. Oh, right. Update layer calls update layer. What? Why would I do that? I think I meant to put it here. Silly goose. All right. So, if I look at you, toggle on, it shows my rainbow skin. Toggle off, it shows it without. The face needs to change though. That as well. Don't show the default if it's the thing we're looking at. That's obviously not good. So if this, then load it. Wait. If metic dot type equal to, wait, what is this? Not equal to dot current cosmetic dot type. Then you load the existing. Otherwise, cosmetic, no. Cosmetic dot set cosmetic shop dot current cosmetic. Right, that should work. Good thing Unity's behaving today. Also, music's getting a bit old. Eh. Much more sprightly. Cool. So, I toggle on, shows a rainbow. Toggle off, hide rainbow. Change color. Oh, and it keeps it. Wow, 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 wow. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's try faces now. material cosmetics. Happy. You're going to be free. I also need to set you both to face. Do you have a happy face? And do I even have... No, I don't even have preview sprites for this. Sad face. Oh no. Dead face. Face is dead. Okay. Now, shot cosmetic for faces. It targets the face layer. There. And default is going to be happy. I also need one for my player. Player cosmetic. Type face. Targets this photon. Renderers. Face. Wait, also did I... Oh, I don't even need to write. Good coder that I am. Yeah, it goes dead face. That's what I have, right? Dead face. Alright. Don't want to go buy dead face. Bang, 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 bang. Wait, change the color. Oh. Wait. Change color on skin. Alright, rainbow should not. There's a few things that shouldn't be able to change color. Rainbow and water. Two things that you shouldn't be able to change. So this is no, galaxy, rainbow. Can change color? No. Water can change color? No. Okay, and then that disappears. Good, good, good. But you can change galaxy. Ah, right. But this isn't got the traditional color, does it? Hmm. There's the set color. Shot preview. Shot cosmetic is what I need. Apply color here. I need to yeah, let's do it here. In the cosmetic public static void apply color of a renderer and a color. If renderer dot material dot has color underscore color equal to true, renderer dot material dot set color underscore color color. And we also do that for normal with American spelling and emission as well. All right. Player cosmetic. Apply color. Cosmetic dot apply color to the renderer of type color. Tune. Player cosmetic shop cosmetic. Nice. All right, hopefully this changes. Something? Anything? Up, 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 up.
Hey, what's the idea here? Looks cool.
Well, this is a nice little project I'm working on. We usually play it Saturdays and Sundays, so Monday to Friday is my dev time. But basically, well, look at this. Look, you're in the game. How cool is this? So everybody that plays this game will be able to see Twitch chat. Twitch cat can vote on Twitch cat.
Hello,
Jesus.
world.
Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool, right? I mean, you might not be able to see it. Let me boom, full screen.
Incredible I see it.
Yeah, pretty cool, right? So Twitch cat can like vote on. It's like a game show or like a collection of game shows, pretty much. So Twitch is watching, people are playing. You get there's in-game voice chat and stuff like that, and Twitch can vote. Oh, who do we kill? Or turn off gravity. All these things I can do. So like I don't know, gravity 0, and now there's no gravity. And everyone can just fly about as they will. Basically, I can do whatever I want. Really, that's the underlying story here. Gravity reset. But yeah, this is where everybody spawns. So once somebody does spawn, they'll have a picture of their face here, and yeah, they step out of spawn here. There's going to be player housing down this way. These are all the rooms. There's up to 13 people.
Hunger Game vibes.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, so you can go in here and customize your room. Decorate it, whatever it may be. There's in-game currencies. That's what you sort of use to buy stuff. And yeah, currently what I'm working on now is just getting cosmetics up and running. Which we have a look. Okay, hats not at the moment. Back items. I'm kind of working on changing this, being able to sort of change color. For some reason, it changes the player. Yeah, it's still a work in progress, but yeah, it's come along. I don't know why that's working or doing that. Also, that's
Sick
what I look
idea,
like
no
currently.
cap.
I know it's going to be sick. Hopefully, I've got a few YouTube videos out if you want to see it sort of in action. I think it's linked in my bio. But yeah, stick around. Saturday and Sunday, 2 p.m. GMT is when we'll be playing it. So if you want to play it, you can come along. No restrictions on who can play it, other than maximum 13. I could up that number as well, but I think 13 is a nice number. 12 people and me. 12 is divisible by 2, 6, 4, 3. Very nice teams. And it'll be a team-based game this weekend. You'll probably see me develop it later. That's on my to-do list. It's going to be a pretty fun minigame, hopefully. And basically every week I'm just going to release a new minigame. And yeah, that's the plan at least. Whether I can get it all done in time. I've only got 4 more days after this. All right, faces. Okay, faces work. Not completely broken. I don't know why this changes the color like that. Why this is working like 2 minutes ago, I swear. That resets the color. Okay, there's a few bugs I need to fix here. I also need to make a note of this. Changing back to the color resets the color, which it shouldn't. Why is that? Color picker? Wait, actually, no, it's shop previous. When I toggled update preview, when showing this, setting the cosmetic default, right? Sets the skin back to the default color. Oh, wait, no, that's good. Wait, this shouldn't even be. I'm editing the back, not the skin. So why is the skin changing? That's what I need to figure out. Let's have a look. Shop. Cosmetics. Skin. Face. changing the face. Yeah, but the skin's changing. Why is the skin changing? That should not be. Oh, right. I think I know why. It's the material. I think this. Oh, wait, no, they're not even synced. Oh, no, it is. Yeah, it's changing that as well, right? Changing both of them. So I think it's because I'm doing this. It's a shared material. So if I do new material, create a new instance of it, so they're separated. I do that for here as well. Also, I hope the music's not too loud. It is payday, so it goes a bit overboard sometimes. All right. Right, so again, if this works. Please, 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 please. If not, then I am out of ideas. Right, come on, come on. Don't change your skin. Don't change your skin. In. God damn it. All right. What else could it be? Skin changes this. Red. And this is also red. These are both changing. That's for certain. What actually happens when I change a slider value? I go here. On slider change. That's the color. Right. Okay. This. Oh, what the hell? Oh, no, that's fine. That's fine. No, that's not fine. Hell. Huh. Oh, wait, this is all commented out, so I don't even need this. So it goes through and it applies the color to all the cosmetics. That's, I think, where we're going wrong here. Yeah, okay. There's no filter. It applies it to everything. So you need to filter it by cosmetic. Apply the color only if and we also need to say which one we want to do. All right. New field type. If the thing type is equal to this type, then we change it. Don't just change everything. There we go. That should work. If get this now working. Dot current cosmetic dot type. Whatever we've selected is the thing we want to change the color of. Okay. Please work now. If it doesn't, I'm going to cry. Oh, and other things are broken. What are you whining about? Oh, I just got to copy the same thing. You go there and there. Right? Yeah. All right. Making progress, I think. God damn it, this music just makes me want to play Payday. I can't get distracted. I'm on a tight schedule. Payday after. All right. Turn around. Edit color. Okay, now nothing's changed. Because with that mode? No. I mean, it's not broken. It's also not fixed. There's nothing happening here. This color. Yep, nothing. This color. Nothing. All right, that's not should happen. So on side changed, sets a color. Maybe it's not picking up. Oh, it's picking up. Set to face. I guess we just debug it. All right. Debug.log top.current cosmetic.I. I should do this in the other one. In the for loop. Here. Yeah. Plus equals plus type. Right. So we'll see why this isn't working. At least this should tell us. Code never works the first time. That is the one thing I've taken away from 2 years of doing this shit. All right. How about now? Turn around. All right. Wait, yeah, back. Oh, there's no back renderer. No, wait, there is. There. That line and that line. Should be working. That does by color. So at least we know it gets that far. So then why do you not apply the color? Current renderer.material.color should do that, right? I did set the renderer. I hope. Static. Yeah, the pinned renderer is set. Do some more testing. Object, which that should not be called. If it is, I will cry. And this one should be material. And oh, I'm an idiot. This needs to be cosmetic dot apply color to the renderer type color. Because not every single renderer has this, because there's a lot of custom shaders and stuff. I had to make my own apply color method. And that should apply, just for safekeeping, apply color to renderer. Now, this either works or it works. Do or do not. There is no try. Mahatma Gandhi or someone. Right. Clear that. No confusion. Edit. Right. Right, that's... Oh, no, that is correct. Yeah, it should become an object, not material. It's still not changing. Yeah, see, it's applying RGBA quiver. So it is going through with it. Not really working. Going on down here. The secret underbelly nobody ever gets to see. It's just using a normal... Oh, wait. What's the name of the color property in this? Base color. I don't have one for base color. That might explain it. I have one for color emission, but no base color. Copy this. paste in base color. Now, now it should work. Now it will work. I'm confident. Just get rid of all the debugging text. I did get all of them right. Yeah. Bang, bang. Bang, da, da, bang. Turn around. Oh, it's red. Oh, it's black. Oh, it's every color of the rainbow. Yes. We apply it. Should now be blue on my back. Oh, not there. Yes. It's blue. Then change color again. We make it red. We apply. And it's now red. Oh my god, I love it when things work. Problem fixed. That wasn't even a new feature, that was just fixing problems. Ugh. Alright. Good. Sorted. What was my next thing? Toggleable cosmetics. I think I did that. Yeah, that is done. You can toggle what you're currently wearing, or you can just show it on a base model. That is done. Let me take that off the list. Toggleable thing. Done. Now, load default cosmetics. I'm pretty sure that's already working. So if this guy has a red quiver and a rainbow skin upon relaunching this, without even going into the shop, then that one's already done. Bang, 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 bang. Come on. Oh, it's already working. I don't even need to do anything. Good. All right. That's already another thing done off the list. Save and load equipped. That's also done as well. Load default cosmetics. Yeah. Oh, no. Load default cosmetics is different to saving and loading equipped. This is for people that have just joined for the first time. Might not have anything. All right. Let's try this. Delete all the saves of, I guess, just everything. See, something's going to break here. But all of that, everything's, all the save there. Gone. Reduced to atoms. All right. What's going to break first? What do I even look like? What the hell? Nothing broke? Interesting. And all the things generated again? They did. There's no cosmetics, which I think is fine. I guess, yeah, if there's no things, it just loads the default, which I guess works as intended. What happens if I try and peruse something? Ah, that's not good. Not be doing that. If statement somewhere that needs to have an else. Is it doing that fixes it? Oh, not even. Ooh. Doesn't show it. Why is that? Couple problems here now. Huh. Right. Where do I even begin? What about faces? Ah, right. Yeah. I know what that little jitter means. Cosmetic is null by default, which it shouldn't be. Well, actually, it can be. All right, I think I know what I need to do. Cosmetics controller. So what we need is a default list of private cosmetic default cosmetics. These are given to the player immediately, and this should all be stuff like no hat, no outfit, no anything, no skin, or default skin. Load lookup, load saved, private void, load defaults for each cosmetic default cosmetic in cosmetic in default cosmetics. If save.has text, do I have the key? Yeah. If it has text of get resource.keyPath, get key for this cosmetic type equals false. Save cosmetic. We also need to save the color, which is fairly easy. If save.has text of resource.keyPath, cosmetic.key of cosmetic doesn't have that, then save color of this cosmetic to cosmetic.default color. And then we just need to call that. There. And then this, we need to make sure it runs in the login. Right. Still not saving anything good. The scenes, login. Have cosmetics. Cosmetics. Roller. Just cosmetics. Alright, so here's where we apply all of the default cosmetics. This should be fine to not fill out in the other scenes. Yeah, just won't run it. Let's see. Default cosmetics. We want 4000. The default skin. We want default face. What is a default back? No back. Right? Right. Oh, and these should also be free. Not have to pay. Also, yeah, I should probably do cosmetic.unlock cosmetic. Just in case they are do have some monetary value assigned. Yeah, that's free. Not even touching hats yet. Outfits. Leave outfits. Skins. Yep. Alright. That should work. Try again. If it doesn't, then I'm not really sure what to do then. Well, yeah, I think they've all been skin colors there, skins there. They've all been set to default. That they have. So, have a look at myself. Oh, that's still Rainbow Galaxy. Guess we'll see what happens once we go into a shop. Oh, look at that. No more Galaxy. And nothing changes because we are just a plain old man at the moment. But this, why does this have no layers? Right, because it's not. Okay. Skin. Change that. Actually, no. Just leave it. Just get rid of this message. Yeah, like that. Don't need that. Everything needs a layer. Right. So, default's done. Add default rotation. The out shot preview. Here, right? On open. Here. We don't want it to always be that. So, where do we get the rotation from? On opening. I mean, we could just pass it. Float Y rotation. Because we don't need to rotate it any other way, really. Turning dot Euler 0f that 0. Where's it called from? Here. Set state metric. I'd just make it a constant. Hard coded in. No reason not to, really. The cosmetics don't ever really change. I'll do it in the tab. Public static float get default rotation of cosmetic type. For most of them, it'll just be 0 face on, but for some of them, like the back, we want like 180 degrees and 180 and 0. Right here, cosmetic dot rot global cosmetic dot rotation of current dot type. Wait, oh, but what if that's null? See, current is not equal to null. If it is, then that. Otherwise, we'll just set it to 0. There you go. That should work. I can always set different rotations for other things later. Like offhand might want it a bit rotated. Actually, I'll just do that now. Let's see. Dot origin. If something in the left hand, probably want it like that. 50 degrees. And 50. Waist, head on, feet, hands, neck, mask, outfit. Yeah, these can all be straight ahead, 0. All right. Ah, yes. Yeah, that's the next problem. Changing effective. I don't even know what to call it. Already equipped. Update the preview. Where does the error come from? When you change to or from? Like that. Whip. Rainbow Man? Rainbow Man. Also, am I still in? Oh, damn, it's still in full screen. Fine. Back to that. So, from here. Change the color. But that. Blue there, but then changing to does not work. That's true. Goes through. That's the cosmetic. Drop cosmetic. Set color to dot color picker. Check this out. What drop? Cosmetic. This bit. Don't actually want to set the cosmetic. Public void create cosmetic. Basically want the same thing, but without color. Shit. But what about this? Full reset color. True. Else. Yeah. Set because otherwise set D8 tick. And no, we don't even need that. That's what we need. On open, you want to reset it. But when you want to toggle, you do not. Right? What's true? Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Now. Oh, God. Yeah. Probably should have left that. That's it. And just undo, right? No. On. Create. Shop. Current cosmetic. Yeah, I forgot I need to do that. Also, I can actually tick another thing off the list. Wait, all the things. There you go. Bada bing. Bada boom. Oh, it still resets it. What the fuck? That's not cool. That. It. Update the layer. No. Debug.log. Set. Create only. Override. Okay. Uh. Hang on, red. Oh, it's not. Oh, that's not good. It's false. Updates the preview. On open. Through. Hmm. Yeah, that's not setting the default color anymore. Wait, it's not setting it at all. Oh, right. Else if preset color is equal to true. This actually needs to stay as true. And put that. Cool. Now work, please. Good. Back to red. Now. Toggle. Nope, still resets. It says create only, but it sets the color. High cosmetic. Not destroy. That just destroys. High cosmetic. Wait, it's set. I think I still need this. I think I do. Not the else part. But I'm getting hungry. Probably have to end stream soon. How long we been going? 3.5 hours. God damn. It's good progress, though. I mean, I'm going to keep doing this. I'll do all the nitty gritty off stream. All right, red. Good. Edit. Bang. Damn it. Equals that. Huh. The debug.log set color. Alright. Coming out hectic fucking music. Alright. Fun. Yeah, that changes it. Purplish. And toggle. Right, here. That's it to white. Where does it set it from? Load existing. Why is it loading existing? Follow. Chain. Update preview. Ah. Right. It loads existing. Loading existing, not good. Huh. Update. Try that. Oops. Set to true. That. It's gonna be a lot of trial and error, isn't it? No, it's not setting to red. Fuck. That's still not working. Okay, this just ain't working for shit. Uh, hmm. So this is called, and it loads existing. I bet I should call this on the right one, right? Debug.log message.type plus set value. I need to eat and think on this. Okay, back to where we were. Edit. Set the color. Toggle. Back.set value. Set cosmetic. Right. Fuck. Right, it's setting the default there. This is the one. Setting the color for one Y. Setting the default color. And why is it setting the default color? That should be true. Right. And need to get the color. Not finding the color. Oh, it's because it's not equipped. Not the thing that I'm currently wearing. That makes sense. What about create cosmetic? We get rid of the filter. No, wait. We don't even. We need to set this to our own color. Right. If we do that, what do we set it to? Maybe we just don't even touch the color. I did that last time, it didn't work. Curious. Okay, that works. And then, fuck. Sending it back to white. Where the fuck? Great cosmetic. No, but why are you calling set cosmetic? Oh, I didn't even save it. God damn it. Mm-hmm. Bang. Toggle. Still not liking it. Load existing. Why are you calling load existing? Back.set value. Then create this. Oh, wait. That color of what though? Cosmetic. Plus. I'm not even sure what's changing color. Both of them are, but Hmm. Loading. Wait, no, not that one. This one. Green. Toggle. Set face, set skin, skip back. What? Step back. Cool. Toggle. Step back to 1. Why? This has been called. It's setting the cosmetic, which is not. Shit. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. False start. Right, now we try. Bang. That's the back. That's in. Wait. Then why is that? What the hell? Back is being set even though as it's not. Look at that. Bang. Oh, is it because it's instantiating a new one? Ooh. Ooh. Let's test that theory. So here's the back. Here's the thing. If this disappears, then it's instantiating a new one. It is. And it's not applying the same color. Hmm. Right. Okay. If current current dot id equals cosmetic dot id false, then destroy this thing. So if it's a different one coming in, destroy apply only then. Otherwise, leave it. Right? That might work. I mean, I hope it does. Then I've picked everything off the list for today. Oh, stressful. At the same time, not. Challenging, more like. Hmm? Change color to red. Fuck. Red. Then toggle. Back set value. It must be destroying it still. Yeah, I can think of. Even though it shouldn't be destroying it. There's a razor mind on again. God damn. So I should make a mouse draggable version instead of arrow keys. Arrow keys suck. Rotate with mouse. Alright. Back. Doth you destroy? Yes, you do. Fuck. Eh. Why do you destroy? There is a current and current ID. Same. Oh. Try this. Ah. Debug.log. Destroy. That's about that. Bow, 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 bow. Oh god, why the radiators on? Bloody boiling. It's summer. Alright. This. Red. Toggle. It's still calling destroy. Alright, it's only go to now. ID. Plus. Name. ID. Right? Ah. ID. Right, we can't compare IDs. Shit. We can actually if we change them. Ah. Thinks it's not the same because 2002. Right, I know the issue. So, the instantiate current dot name is equal to cosmetic dot name. One line of code. I should fix it. The only instantiate. Shop controller. Play cosmetic. Instantiate. Right. That's both types donezo. Now both types should work, so. Who knows if it actually will, but. Come on. Oh, thank God. All right. Well, it just needs the other one now. What was it? Got preview. Yeah. Great cosmetic. Value needed. Good. Come on, we're almost there. Almost there. We're in the home run. Home straight, wherever it is. Is it even paid anymore? I don't think it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. Change back. Yes, please. Shield. Oh, fuck. Hmm. Wait. That should fix that. Current is empty. Then create it anyway. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Last leg of the journey. Silence for this. Ah, but it doesn't apply the color. If current equal to null, then destroy existing, even though there's no point, but still. And apply cosmetic, apply color. Shit. That line. Else. Actually, I can just make this default color. Otherwise, it's not null. And it's a different thing. Destroy. Fly. Right? Wait. Nothing there. If it already exists and it's different. Hmm. Alright. Let's see. Might do it. Just fucking saying that 20 times past 2 minutes. It might be done. Answer is I don't really know. Alright, alright. Yeah. Had a feeling. Hmm. I mean, at least the color stays, kind of. Undo all this. Bug.log destroy. Keep that for the time being. It was done, but it's not. The shitty music can come back. Okay. That destroys, but it doesn't set the color. My color, new cosmetic color. Maybe that'll work. Okay. Make it red. Okay. Cancel. Make it green. Cancel. Make it green. Apply. Make it light green. Apply. I did it. That's it. Sorted. Now I can pause. I fucking did it. Make that green. Apply. Buy. Equip. Would have a green thing on my back now. No. Why not? Why are you no green? Be green now. Let's try again. Green. Apply. And equip. Okay, that works. What didn't work was making it green, toggling and applying, and then equipping. Oh, that did work. I'm not sure why that didn't work the first time. Honestly, I think it's good enough. Make it blue. Apply. Toggle. Cancel. Wait, what if I change it to be blue, which is what we don't want, and then change it to something we do want, dark blue. Toggle that and apply. Still no, and then equip. Dark blue, dark blue. Okay, well, no, it's just working. All right. Well, I think that wraps it up for the day. So, well, we have to see us out. Is this not on shuffle? Okay, shuffle is working. But yeah, cheers everyone that came along. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I guess I'll see you around. What's going to be our thing for the day? Our outro song. Oh, Where Is the Love? Beautiful song. Anyway, that's all from me. I'll see you, boys. I'll see you. See you around.